Hello everybody, this is the BandiCam Coder, and today we're gonna do some more batch files. And all my videos are 9 minutes or less, so let's get to it. Okay, so today we are gonna learn a little more than just some little, simple matrix coding, like inputs and all that. Okay, so first of all, you always start in a batch file. This is what we're doing it in. Is at echo off. Don't want none of that repeat in there. Okay? Then, yeah, we're just learning some more. Jeez, I have really bad memory here. Okay, anyways. Now that we're here, pick what color you want. So I'm gonna go with color. Oh, no. Jeez, I frig. Okay. 0A. Okay. Here we go. Now, let's start with the menu, as always. Menu. Now, you're gonna want to go down here. Oh, and if you want to make this full screen, just go mode 1000. Now, once you're down here, if you... How do you explain that? Anyways, you just want some simple text as soon as you open it. I'll teach you how to do that. Echo. Now, echo kind of... If you heard the term hello world, it's kind of like that, except you don't really type stuff in. It just shows it instantly. Anyways. So, you go echo, and whatever you want to type. So, I'm going to make mine just a tad fancy. Okay, good enough. Now, when you want to make separate sentences, you don't just enter kind of like HTML. I'll get to that in probably a different video. Anyways, if you want to do another sentence, you just go echo again and type whatever you're going to type. So, is that the middle? I don't know. And then I'll space that. Then enter, and then another echo, because I want another, not echo. No, not Bindi. BandiCam. Okay, that looks decent enough. I'm just gonna space that because I don't like uneven stuff. Anyways, and then you go echo again for another thing, and I'm just gonna start here. Coder, and obviously that's off center. And let's capitalize some things here. Why the not? And let's get over here. Let's do that. And once you've done that, go echo. Oh no, echo. I don't know if I spaced that. Let's see here. I did. Sit through there. Okay. That, I can't tell if that's the same, but it'll pop up way better once we're done here. Now, just to show you what this is going to look like, we go pause, null, I think. Jeez, I can't remember. Oh, man. I haven't done this in a while. Okay, all files. Let's just do f, or vid.bat. Save. Now it should pop up right there. That's the other one from the other video. There we go. Instantly. Yes, I did add one extra. Let's get rid of that. Save. Minimize. Now let's just exit. There. Yes, pause null. Oh. Model is not recognized. Oh. Sorry, just a minute here. Whoopsies. Anyways, so then what we did here, we can just get rid of that. Never mind. Anyways, so now save, and there you go. You have a simple title screen labeled menu. Now, oh man. Just a minute here. Okay, we're back after a ton of research and not really research, but just going through my stupid files because I forgot something. I remembered how to make an input. Okay, we're back. This smart man is not so smart because he forgot something. Anyways, so this is what set/p equals vid whatever. What that does is allows you to make an input, right? Okay, right. But as soon as you click enter, because there's no if, it fucks you over. Sorry, I'm like really stressed here. Okay, so the difference between this, I'm gonna copy that actually. The difference between that and pause dot no this no that I'm just gonna go Control S. Okay, it's not running. Anyways, the difference between set/p, which is I guess input, meaning like where you can type stuff. The difference between that and pause.null is, yes, they have that, but as soon as I press any key on my keyboard, it kind of, what do you call it? Anytime I press a key, it just shuts down. But if you add this, it lets you to type in stuff, but because there's no if, then I don't know how to explain it, Jesus. It lets you to type in stuff, and if you have the right settings, it will let you go places. So let's do that right quick. I'm pretty sure if percentage, nope, that's two ands. If percentage vid equal, I'm pretty sure equals let's just put an F, go to A. Now let's make a menu, which is A. There. Now I don't know if this is going to work because I haven't done this in a while. Let's do this. What was the letter? F, I'm pretty sure. There, oh. Let's see here. Let's go to echo L, why is cap lock on? Echo L down PAUSE pause. Let's just go pause no. And save, minimize, vid. Let's go F. Shite. If vid equals if vid equals F, go to A. I am at A. There is the L. There is a pause no. Let's space it, see if it makes a difference. Oh man, I cannot remember for the life of me. F. Nope. Okay. This is gonna have to be the end of this video because I only have 9 minutes and I don't feel like paying BandiCam anything. Anyways, this is the end of this video and I shall see you in another one. I'll make a two-parter.